Hello, Math 5a. We're going to solve this problem from section 5.3, number 34 from the textbook, Yoshiwara. It says solve for t, and the equation is b minus 2 equals a plus 3 times e to the minus t over 3. And so when we look at this, there are a lot of letters in here and not numbers, so we might be uncomfortable at first. But this is something we should really strive to become more comfortable with. It's very common in the sciences to be using different letters because we want those letters to represent something that's out in the real world. And so we should try to become more comfortable with doing this. And so you have to just kind of like hold those letters in place and move them around because they're just quantities that we're adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing. So we're trying to get the t by itself, and the t is up here in the exponent of the e, and then that whole thing is being multiplied by the a plus 3. So the first step we're going to do is divide both sides by a plus 3. Divide by a plus 3. And then this doesn't look very nice, but we're just going to leave this whole big side over here. b minus 2 divided by a plus 3 is equal to e to the minus t over 3. And so even though there's a lot of complicated stuff over here on the left, we've gotten this part, which has our t in it, down to a simpler situation. And now we want to get that t out of the exponent of an e. And so the inverse function for e to the x is natural log of x. So we'll take natural log of both sides to undo the exponent. So we'll have natural log of this whole big thing, b minus 2 divided by a plus 3. Is equal to the natural log of e to the minus t over 3. And of course, the natural log and the e undo each other. That's why we did this. So over here on the left, we still have natural log of b minus 2 divided by a plus 3. And then this is just equal to minus t over 3. And so finally, to get t by itself, we just multiply both sides by minus 3. So we have t is equal to minus 3 times the natural log of b minus 2 over a plus 3. Okay, and there are some different ways using your log laws that you can rewrite this left side. So if somebody else has a different answer, you might need to do some algebra to check whether they're the same.